Good morning guys, it's Colin here from Auto Clarity in Southport. So, got a cracking little Caddy van here, 2018 on a 68 plate, done 70,000 miles. We've given a little bit of the Auto Clarity treatment, so we put some nice genuine Audi's wheels on it. I don't like putting the cheap Chinese replicas, I'd rather put some other ones. We've got the side bars as well, which set it off, make it look really good. Nice and clean around the back end. It's really good condition, this van actually. But it looks really good. It's got the front splitter on it, which we've had fitted. It just sets it off a little bit. But condition wise, it's lovely. So there's your bonnet. Nice and clean, there's no dinks, dents, scratches or anything like that. There's your wheels down the side of the car, van, sorry. Nice and clean. It's one owner this with full service history, pretty sure it's just had a cam belt as well. Decent in the back. Nice and clean. It's got the fixed bulkhead there. There's no damage on the outside of the van. You've got the orange flashing repeater there. Parking sensors on the back of this one. But a really good looking van, these. I must admit I like a Caddy. And they drive great. And the engines are bulletproof. So, getting inside, like I say, nice and clean. I'll just start it up for you. So you've got DAB radio, you've got your Bluetooth and everything like that. There's your mileage, 78,386 miles. All your cruise control on there. Sorry, yeah, your cruise control on there. And your other radio controls and what have you on there, on your stereo controls. Have the flashing light on the roof there, which is all working fine. So guys, if you're interested in this Caddy, do give us a call here at Auto Clarity. Always willing to help, finance is available, and we love a part exchange as well, so give us a shout. Cheers guys.